how are you? I hope you're doing good. So welcome to Great Tarot. So if you are new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by subscribing, okay? That really helps for the growth of the channel, okay? Or if you have already subscribed, thank you so very much. Thank you for liking my content. Thank you so very much. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's topic is your destiny. What is your destiny? So that is going to be the reading for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So I have 3 groups here and we have 3 feathers, so you have to select a feather, okay? So we have, for group number 1, it's an orange feather. For group number 2, it's a green feather, and for group number 3, it's a white feather. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, just get cozy and choose a feather that calls to you, or 1, 2, 3, just pick intuitively, okay? So that's the thing, and the timestamps will be listed in the description box, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. If you want more time, please pause the video and take your time and then select. So 1 orange, 2 green and 3 white. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this orange feather. So group number 1, if you choose this orange feather, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what is your destiny. So I will be doing charms and letters also, so stick around guys. Okay, so let's see. I have already shuffled your cards, so let's see. Okay, with this orange color, I'm getting this sacral chakra vibe. So I feel for the message that I'm getting is like you're meant to have like authentic relationship. You will be only be with that people who you are, who you connect with, who you vibe with. You're not that person who will have a lot of friends. I feel like you may have a lot of friends, but you will be the person who will be connecting with only 1 or 2 friends. You will be like showing your side, your authentic side, to little people only, right? That is what I feel. So in the past, maybe you have had rough relationships, or maybe with your parents you had rough relationships, or maybe you didn't have good relationship with your parents or with your friends. I feel in the future you are destined to have good relationship. That is your destiny. That is what I feel like. You have learned a lot of lessons. You have learned like who you need to trust, or who you can vibe with, or what is, you are I feel you are loving yourself day by day more, and you are only allowing people who you can vibe with. You're not who is good for you, who is best for you. So in your love relationship also, I feel like you're destined to be with the one who you can vibe with. You will not be with the one who you cannot vibe with, okay? Even if you're right now in that kind of relationship, I see in the future you will be not in that relationship, or in that career that you don't vibe with. You are the people who are meant to have for you. I feel you want you want to be emotionally satisfied. It's not about materialistic for you guys, okay? Even if it's a small home, if you like that, if you are happy there, you want that much only, okay? So that is what I feel. For career also, maybe you're not you don't like 9 to 5 job. You want to do something like creatively. You're very passionate about doing like farming. I don't know, I'm getting this agriculture vibe or something, like planting seeds, literally a garden, making a garden, planting roses. You like that kind of vibe, like connecting to Mother Earth, connecting to the nature. Even you don't like this like computer. Maybe you need, as we are in this Aquarian age, and we need this laptop, we need the online thing. But you are more the person who want to create something like painting. You want to connect with nature a lot. I'm seeing that is what you're destined to, okay? To live a very simple life, maybe. Like you always want to go, like you want to go to hilly areas, build a home, stay there, like quiet place. Yeah, that is what I feel. You want relationships also like that. I feel like quiet relationships, not like dramas. You don't like dramas, and you want to get away from it. You don't like this gossiping and all. So I feel what is your destiny is to have a quite simple life, okay, where you will be yourself, where you can be yourself, and you will be connecting with the people who you can vibe with, okay? So yeah, that is what I feel. Oh wow, we have beauty, we have 9 of cups, and we have 6 of cups. Okay, so for many of you, you are destined to do something you always wanted to do in the past. Maybe it is an childhood hobby you have that you will be pursuing in the future. Even if you are right now doing something else, I see that you will be moving towards your you will be moving towards something that you actually like to do, like your hobby. Maybe you like painting, you will do that. Maybe you like gardening, you will do that. Maybe you are like uh, yeah, something that you always wanted to do, something that you always vibed with. It's not going to be like a 9 to 5 job or something like that, something you actually wanted to do. Maybe, as I said already, something. I'm getting this plants. I'm getting the plant. You love plants or animals, caring of animals, maybe making a farm or something. I just don't know. Something like that, something very natural, something that you need to create through your hands, something you're very passionate about. That is what I feel. You're meant to have a life full of fulfillment. This fulfillment varies from person to person, right? Some person would like to have a big home, big car, but some of you you don't want that. You just want a simple life, like a small house, like little of farm, like a lot of animals caring for them. It varies. Like, what is success to you? That is what you will have. What you want, what makes you happy. You will have something that makes you happy, that makes you fulfilled, right? That is what I feel like. Your destiny is you. Is why I'm Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so your destiny is to live a life of authenticity, a simple life where you will be fulfilled. You will be with the people whom you can vibe with, whom you connect with. You will have a you will be very emotionally satisfied. That is what I feel like. Okay, so in the future, whatever you do, you will do something that you actually want to do, right? You will be doing something you're passionate about, as I said. That is what I'm getting. And you will be very happy, and you will be very connected to the divine also. With this purple color, your crown chakra will be activated. You will be getting a lot of downloads. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, lot of signs. You will be connected. You will be doing something related to spirituality also. That is also very much possible. Like, new opportunities will come to you. You will get a lot of opportunity. Like freelancing also I'm getting. You will be doing something, like you will be doing something from the comfort of your house or something like that, I'm getting. That is your destiny, like to create something you always wanted to create, to do something you always wanted to do, to be with the person you always wanted to be with. You will be with the people you always wanted to be with, who you can share your feelings, share your thought. You can be authentic. Like, they will not judge you, you will not judge them. That kind of relationship, that kind of that is what I feel for you guys. For many of you, you might be like making colors or something. Like, I'm getting through plants you'll be making colors, or maybe you will like from flowers you will be making colors. I don't know, like doing some thread work, something very natural also I'm getting, very organic. Okay, I don't know, but that is what I'm getting. Okay, let's see. Take flight. Okay, so look at the color, pink color, maybe pink color. And we have this purplish color also, like all a lot of divine love I'm getting. Maybe you're seeing butterflies also. A lot of transformation is gonna happen. Okay, if you're not happy right now where you are, in the future I see you're destined to be completely emotionally satisfied in your life. That is what because look at that, you got 3 cups. Cups is all about fulfillment, like emotionally satisfaction. You got the good cards, like Ace of Cups, 9 of Cups, 6 of Cups. Like making, I feel for many of you, you will be making peace with your past also. You will be healing yourself and moving forward. You will be forgiving people. You will be, yes, that is what. And you will have a very emotionally stable life. You can be like doing some spiritual work also, I don't know, but definitely something organic, something organic. That is what I feel like. Okay, so take flight, take charge. So your angels, spirit guides are telling to take that first step. Maybe many of you haven't taken that first step. You want to do this, you have this idea, you want to relocate, but you are afraid to do that. Maybe you need to take charge of it. Like, literally take a flight and move somewhere. Maybe you always wanted to do it, but you need to make that step. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. But yeah, definitely with this butterfly coming here, it's like you are changing, you're coming out, like a caterpillar has to come out, like to become a butterfly. So that is what metamorphosis, something like that I'm getting here. You're going through that stage, you're going through changes. Okay, but don't be afraid to take that first step. Don't be afraid to take that leap of faith, because you're meant to have this emotional satisfied life. Okay, next, let's see what your angels want you to know about your destiny. Patience. Yes, all you need to have patience, because whatever you want, you will get it. Look at the color again, we got this orange color, right? So interesting. So your angels wants you to know that yes, you will have emotionally satisfied life. Maybe you just want that, right? You don't want too much of money, you just want to have that vibe where you will open door and you will see nature. You want to connect with nature also, something like you want something, something that heals your heart, that makes you happy, like seeing butterflies make you happy, seeing flowers make you happy, right? You don't want like big cars, you don't, maybe you don't like city life also, something like that. Even though you like simple things a lot. So be patient. Whatever your goals are, you will be able to accomplish it. That is what I feel like. You need to be bold, you need to take the first step, and you need to be patient. Patience. Maybe you're seeing number 2 to do's a lot. Your angels are with you. Yes, you are healing your sacral chakra. Work on self-love, guys, because I see so much of emotional satisfaction for you guys. Your spirit guides, yeah, your spirit guides are sending you lot of information, lot of signs through dreams, lot of downloads are coming. As I said, you're very spiritually connected also, right? So take note on your dreams. Okay, maybe you need to keep a dream journal, because of when we keep that, we can have a lot of information what you're seeing. If you're seeing animals or something, just google it, maybe you will know the answer, right? So that is what is important here. And with this lady Venus, I'm getting this Libra energy. As I said, your relationship will be very balanced. Okay, very balanced energy, Libra. Yeah, Libra energy I'm getting here. I don't know why, but the scales will be balanced. You will get your justice. Okay, what you always wanted, from childhood you wanted something, you will have that. I feel like that. Maybe it's a person, maybe it's your dream job, maybe it's something that makes you happy. It can, it's not important it's like a dream job or something like that. It can be just something that you always wanted in your life as a kid. That is what you will get, and that will make you give you a lot of happiness. So your divine, your spirit guides are saying, they are showing you the way. All you need to is trust it, be patient, and keep moving forward. Don't let fear come in between your dreams. Okay, group number 1. Oh, energy healing. For some of you, I feel like it's important you balance your chakras. Okay, maybe you need to get Reiki or something like that. That will help you in for balancing your chakra. Or maybe you need to start doing yoga. That will, or maybe meditation also. And for some others of you, as I said, there is a spiritual sense here. Maybe you want to learn yoga, Reiki, something like that. Just go for it. That is also your destiny to, because this is a general reading, so take what resonates. But definitely I'm getting that, you're meant to have this chakra balanced. All your chakras will be balanced. You will be living with nature. You will be connecting to Mother Earth, Gaia. You will be like giving other people advice, how you achieved how you achieved things in your life, how you created things from scratch. Maybe you will be creating something very unique, very different, that this world hasn't seen, right? Because of your connection to the divine. That is very great. With the sacral chakra, you will birth something that is different, that is unique. That is what I feel for you guys. You're very creative souls. Let's see your affirmations. I forgive myself. So you need to forgive. As I said, you need to forgive. I see that you will be forgiving your past and moving forward. Just right now, I think you need to focus in your forgiveness, right? As I forgive myself, I leave behind all feelings of not being good enough, and I am free to love myself, right? So forgiving them for their mistakes and cutting codes and moving forward with your life. Life supports me. Whatever you want to do now, your life will support you. That is what I feel. All you need to is to be bold and take that first step. Let go of the fears, let go of the people who are stopping you from your authenticity. Or maybe, yeah, maybe people say that that is not the good thing you need to do. Be authentic to yourself and do what you always wanted to do. Yeah, it will take a little bit of courage, but at the end I feel you're destined to have that dream life of yours. But for this group, you don't want too much of money or too much of crowd. You want is like a quiet simple life, and you will get that. You want to connect with nature. I'm getting goosebumps. Look at the green color. For different people, the abundance they want will be different. For some it is like they want a lot of money, but for others it will be like little money, but they will be happy with it. Like that kind of energy I'm getting. You don't want too much of materialistic thing. All you want is like emotional satisfaction, connection with the divine, like connecting with nature, living a peaceful life. And that is what I feel like you're meant. You will get it. That is your destiny. Life supports me. Life created me to be fulfilled. I trust life, and life is always there at every turn. I'm safe. You're safe. Your spirit guides are giving you a lot of symbols and signs. But right now, if you haven't taken that step, maybe they are telling you to take that step. It's trust your intuition in here. Okay, that is what I feel like. I open new doors to life. Yes, new doors, relocation. I'm getting this. Look at the shoes in here, like going somewhere, like opening a new door, opening a new home, opening a new office, something like that you always wanted to do. So I rejoice in what I have, and I know that fresh new experiences are always ahead. I greet the new with open arms. I trust life to be wonderful. Yes, your life is going to be wonderful. You're going to live. You will have an authentic life. Okay, that is what I feel like. You will have authentic relationships. You will be speaking your truth. You will not be afraid. Right now you are afraid. Even if you are afraid, you will get out of it. You will be speaking your truth. You will be living a life that you always wanted to live. That is what I feel like. Simple life. You're meant to have a very simple life, yet very peaceful, and a lot of connection to the divine. Okay, let's see the charms for you guys for group number 1. Yeah, with this also I'm getting the simple life, connecting with animals, plants. Let's see. Yeah, sweet. Your life will be very sweet. I'm getting that vibe, sweetness, a lot of sweetness. Yeah, for some of you I feel it's about time, just divine timing, patience. When the correct time will be, you will receive that blessing. Don't be too much caught up on this, when it will happen. Okay, just give it to the divine. Okay, it will happen at the perfect timing. Yeah, you need to let go. For some of you need to let go of your past. Right now you need to cut that codes. That is important. In the future you will be, I see that. Yeah, you need to fix that. Something needs to be fixed. Okay, that is the thing. You need to fix something. You need to forgive some people. You need to forgive yourself in order to move forward. Okay, you will be doing something you always wanted to do with this occupation. Maybe it's like stitching dresses, whatever it is. You will be doing something you always wanted to do, something with hands. I'm getting that also. Okay, yeah, don't hang on to the situation. So for many of you, you are hanging on to a situation that is not serving you. Yeah, maybe it's your fear. As I said, you need to take that first step. You need to take that leap of faith. You're meant to be an independent life. Look at the cats, right? You're very, you're getting a lot of signs and symbols from the universe. Maybe you will have a black cat in the future. I don't know, but it's also possible. But yeah, you're meant to have a very independent life. You will not be, as I said, you will be emotionally satisfied. So you will be only connected to the people who you can vibe with, and when we are emotionally stable, no one can make us feel bad about ourselves. So yeah, that is what I feel. No negative comments will make you feel bad in the future. I'm seeing like that. You're moving towards that phase where you will be very strong emotionally. You will be very authentic. That is what I feel. Yeah, come out of your comfort zone, guys. Ignore the negative comments. You're meant to ignore that. But right now, I feel for some of you it's a problem, right? But in the future, you will be very strong. A lot of peace energy. Look, angels. You're right. Yeah. You're meant to write your own destiny. I'm feeling like, yeah, manifest your goals, your desire. You were meant to have that. But be patient. Take that leap of faith. That is what you need to do. O, T, and Q. Sacral chakra meditation is also important, I feel like, because you have like relationship trouble. You need to cut the cords from certain people from the past. What's your letters? S, O, I, T, Q. Solitude. That is the word I got, but we don't have, like, yeah, you're meant to have that solitude, you know. It's like hermit, where you are understanding yourself. Even though you're lonely, even though you're alone, you're not lonely. That kind of vibe. You're very connected to the divine. You're connected to the people who you can vibe with. But even though you are, maybe you will have, the hermit type of energy is there, where you will be connecting to yourself more than others, but you will be very happy. Or for some of you, you need to take some time off from the crowd and connect with yourself. That is also very important. Okay, connect with yourself. Maybe that is when you will be able to decode your messages I'm getting. Okay, when you connect with yourself. Meditate, guys. That is very important here. But yeah, that is all I received for you guys. If you like my content, please support my channel, guys. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this green feather, then this is your reading with me. What is your destiny? And I'm gonna do charms and letters also, so stick around, guys. We will be doing that. Okay, so I've already shuffled. Okay, so let's see. With this green color, you operate from your heart center, guys. So you need to trust your intuition more than anything. Okay, connect with nature. Whenever you feel stressed, nature will give you so much of peace. Okay, you're destined to connect with nature, connect with birds, animals. Okay, like that. This, whenever you're stressed, you will get a lot of peace if you connect with nature. That is what I feel for you guys. Okay, then and with this green, I'm getting this Archangel Raphael vibes a lot. Okay, with this Archangel Raphael, you're meant to heal people. So you are the one who will heal yourself first, and then you will start healing other people. That kind of energy, healing is a journey, right? So I feel, yeah, that is what you're meant to. You're meant to heal people through your voice. Maybe you're singers, maybe you write songs, maybe you write stories, maybe you heal through your through motivation classes, maybe you heal through tarot, maybe you heal through Reiki. Whatever it is, you heal people. Okay, that is what. Maybe you are a mother who can heal people, right? You don't have to do a certain job to heal people. You can be anything and you will be healing people. And for some of you don't even recognize that you are healing people, right? Maybe you are that motivator who motivates different people, right? Or maybe your voice is so calming, so relaxing, right? That can also be the thing. But whatever you do, you heal people, even though you don't know or don't know. Okay, so that is what I feel. You heal people. Your eyes, I'm seeing these eyes here. I'm just so attracted to the eyes. Your eyes are very beautiful. I don't know, or maybe your intuition is very strong. Right, with this eyes, your psychic ability is very strong. You need to trust your psychic abilities. Maybe you have this clairvoyance, your spiritual gift. Maybe you see images. Okay, something related to I don't know. Maybe you have this. Maybe something, I don't know. I'm with this. I am getting very strong vibes. Your eyes are very beautiful, or maybe your eye color is different. I don't know. But anyway, that is a very specific message. Okay, maybe you have problem with your eye color, or you feel like that's not beautiful. It's beautiful. Accept it. Accept that uniqueness. Okay. Okay, so some of you have this dreams prophet. You see the future in your dreams sometimes. I'm getting that also. I don't know. So maybe you're getting a lot of signs. For group number 1 also, I talked about dreams, but for you also, I feel like your dreams are very important. Okay, maybe you're seeing a lot of dreams, like I see a lot of dreams. So you may, I have started this dream journal. I recommend to you also, like write what you see, what signs you see, what is that, what is happening in your dream. Maybe that will give you a lot of answers. Okay, that's just if you want to, if you are resonating with that. So let's see what is your destiny. Let's see. I have these tarot cards pulled out for you guys. So we have 7 of, oh, stand your ground. I'm getting that vibe. Stand your ground. Victory, because you will be victorious. So whatever you, so it's like with the 7 of wands, you know, maybe there will be people who will not approve of your career. Okay, there will be like some kind of problems you will face, but just stand, just believe in yourself, don't give up. Okay, you have this fire, you have this passion that will give you this victory in your life. Okay, yeah, stand your ground, don't give up, go for it, because you will achieve the success you desire in your life. With this victory, the 6 of wands energy is like maybe people will follow you. Maybe you are a motivational speaker, you know, you might speak in front of a lot of people. That might be your destiny. But whatever, you know, is it, I feel you can calm people. That is your destiny. Maybe in chaos also you will do well. Okay, I don't know. I feel like, you know, you will bring that order into other people's life. You will make people stable. Or for some of you, if you are not feeling stable, you will have a stable life. Don't worry about that. You're meant to be victorious. You're meant to have that success that you always wanted to have. So don't give up. And for many of you, you're meant to light that candle to other people. You're meant to show the way. So the people who show the way, they have to go through some stuff, right? Because they have to experience things. So you will experience a lot of things, you will learn a lot of lessons. So don't give up. Maybe there will be negative people around you who will discourage you. Don't give up on your capabilities, on you know, because you're unique. I feel like that. And this orange color is very I'm getting this orange is also sacral chakra. For group number 1 also we talked about sacral chakra, but for you also I feel like that. You know, you need to work on your sacral chakra, on your relationship, on yourself. I feel like that. On your maybe you have self-doubt, like, yeah, self-doubt. That is what I feel. Self-doubt, a lot of self-doubt because of other people. Maybe people told you in the past that you are not good for you know, you're not good enough, you don't do, maybe they have compared you to other people, and now also you want to do something different than others. And maybe you're feeling that you're like stressing about it. You have a lot of stress also. You don't know what you're doing. You know, you're like, you know that you're meant to do this, but at the same time you're like stressing. What if this doesn't work out? What if I'm not victorious? What if this thing of mine will not give me the success? Okay, this is something different. You're doing something different from this 9 to 5 job that other people are, you know, you're not doing something. You're not doing something that other people want. Other people are doing, you're doing something that is very unique, that is very different. And so there will be naysayers, and you have to trust in yourself. You have to stand your ground. You have for some of you, it's your own demons you need to fight. Maybe it's your own fear, maybe it's your own limited belief that you have. What is your limited belief about yourself that you need to cut it out? Okay, that is what you need to work on. I feel like when you work on it, then the success is yours. The victory is yours. Okay, so for some of you, it's like you want to open up a YouTube channel, but you're so afraid. You're like, what will other people say? Will there be negative comments? Will they like my content? And because of that, you don't even post it. So you need to get out of it. Okay, you need to get out of your own way. You need to get out of I feel your destiny is like you will be getting out of your way, and you will be trusting yourself and you will be following your heart. You're destined to follow your heart. You're destined to follow your intuition, and this will give you a lot of success. When you follow your intuition, when you follow your gut feeling, that is when you will have that success, that order in your life. Okay, and you are the people who will do well in chaos also. That is what I feel. You are very strong. Your inner strength is immense. You are very strong. Remember that. You're very courageous people. You can get out of bad situations very quickly. Not everyone can do that. Okay, like even though you fail, you will get out of it very quickly. You're very strong people, and because of that, you will be doing that. You will be taking, you know, you will be showing showing light to other people. You will be putting that light in other people's life. That is what I feel for you guys. Let's see. Anyways, shifting. Yeah, you got fairy magic. Look at the colors again. You got the green colors. Green is very important color. Maybe you need to wear a little bit green colors. I don't know. Maybe you need to keep an aventurine crystal. Yeah, connect with nature more. And fairy magic, you need to let that stress go, guys. Lot of stress. So with this fairy magic, all you need to is come. Everything is yours. Okay, nothing is what is yours, you will have it. You will have that success. That is what I feel. You will have that success. Your fairies are like, they are with you. Maybe you connect with fairies. Fairies are very fun loving energy, right? So I feel you need to embrace more fun loving energy into your life. Like, relax, don't stress about work too much. Whatever you're doing, maybe you stress a lot, even though you know it that stressing will not give you anything, then do you stress? I feel like that kind of vibe. So, or maybe you overwork yourself. Don't do that. Okay, things are shifting for you guys. There is a major shift happening in your consciousness. That is also, I feel like. Okay, so it's like a spiritual awakening for many of you guys. You know, for many of you, it's like your spiritual gifts are expanding. Maybe your intuition is strong now, it will get stronger in the future. I'm getting that vibe also. Okay, for some of you, I feel right now you are feeling little creatively blocked. Don't worry, because I feel some activations are happening for you guys, and you will soon be able to connect. Your intuition is going to, I feel your intuition will be very stronger. Very strong intuitive pile this is. Maybe you are like spiritual teachers also, healers, whatever you do. Definitely very spiritual. Just let go of that worry energy, okay? Yeah, music. So your angels wants you to know that you connect deeply with music. For some of you, your voice is that, I said, you like singers. Music is very important for you guys. And for others, through music, you connect with the divine. Through music, put that light music and just connect with yourself. You will get all your answers. Meditation music will play a major role in your life, I'm getting. Maybe you do that sound healing also, I'm getting that vibe also. Music is very important, right? If you don't know, this is what I feel like. You're destined to listen to meditation music, go into like this deep state, like gamma state, or I don't know, I'm getting that vibe where you will be in that state and you will be getting the messages from the divine. So connect with music, meditation music. You can manifest using music. Maybe for some others, it's like you will be doing meditation music or something. You'll be making meditation music, or you will be singing healing songs. So something like that. Music is going to be very important in your life. In your destiny, music will play a very huge role, I'm getting. And music will help you shift. If you're feeling very stressed, it will help you to shift to a fun energy. Music is very important for you guys. Okay, so whenever you're stressed, use music. You are meant to have a happy, fun loving life also, I'm getting, with this fairy energy. So don't worry too much, guys. Enjoy life. You're meant to enjoy life. Okay. Oh, your spirit guide messages. Look, light activation. Okay, for some of you, definitely you are light workers. I was talking about the light, isn't it? You're meant to be that candle who will give that light to other people. And in order to be a candle, you need to burn, right? So it's not so easy, but at the same time, you will have to experience a lot of things, but your spirit guides are with you. They're telling, shine your light. You're moving through a period of, you might have seen some darkness in your life, but you will move quickly, because your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors are with you. Okay, shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. So as I said, your intuition, you're meant to be intuitive, you're meant to be psychic. I don't know, maybe your psychic abilities are on point, right? You can be clairaudience, you can be cognizance. I'm so sorry for the pronunciation. Maybe you are like clairvoyance. You have that spiritual ability, I feel like that, and through that you will be helping other people. You're the messengers, I'm getting. You will be giving messages to other people. Okay, you're destined to do that. You're destined to help other people. You're destined to give that healing light to other people. Okay, so accept you. But all you need to do right now is to accept yourself the way you are. Accept your uniqueness. Love yourself more. Don't stress. Don't self-doubt. Okay, but I feel like you will be getting out of it. Look at that, you got the spiritual teacher. Okay, for some of you, definitely you're going to be a spiritual teacher. You're destined to be a spiritual teacher. You will be doing seminars, you'll be talking about meditation, you will be talking about yoga, you will be giving motivational classes, you will be providing, you will be balancing people, you know, and maybe you will be chanting, maybe you will be like yeah, you will be like healing people through your words, through your voice. You will be helping in their spiritual growth. Maybe you will be, you can be a teacher also, like who will give guidance to other people, right? So something like that. You are meant to give that motivation, that light to other people. And in order to do that, you don't have, you should trust in yourself. You need to accept yourself. That is what I feel. And embrace more fun loving energy into your life. Dance, you know, dance, play, enjoy life, okay, because you're meant to be happy, you're meant to give that light. Whenever you feel that you're in darkness, you will be, your angels, your spirit guides will help you. You just need to do is to connect to them, okay? And I feel this pile is so strong that you will be you will easily overcome your difficulties. That is what I feel. You're so strong, people. Green color is very important for you guys. I feel like that. We have green here, green and orange. These two colors are coming out very strong for you guys. Look, as I say yes to life, life says yes to me. Yes, say yes. You can achieve anything you desire to. Manifest your goals. Okay, you're meant, I feel for many of you, you're meant to have like little bit of fame also. Maybe people will know you in the locality, you know, some people will know you, might have a community or something like that. You will be very known. That energy also I'm getting. Okay, so whatever you do, you will, you know, if you're working on something right now, you will be rewarded for that. Okay, life mirrors my every thought. You're powerful manifestors also, guys, so remember to be positive. So what you, yeah, very powerful manifestors I'm getting here. Maybe you will be teaching about law of attraction something like that. Whatever you do, you will be like life coach or something like that. You will be taking, you know, maybe you are counselors, therapists, healers, doctors, nurses, anything. You will give that light to other people. Yeah, your work is very tough, I know, so you need to believe in yourself, you need to trust in the divine. And whenever you're stressed, use music will give you such healing energy. I'm getting that also. And have take some time off. When you feel so stressed, go out, even if it's like for an half an hour, right? Do that. As I keep my thoughts positive, life brings me only good experience. So you're very powerful manifestors. Remember that. If you say yes, you will get that yes. Okay, if you don't want something, say no. Okay, manifest your desires, because you will. Look, I accept my uniqueness. Yeah, you're different. As I said, you're different. Maybe you look different, or maybe you have a different vibe. Maybe your thinking is different. But this thing you need to accept. Okay, you are not meant to go in the crowd. You're meant to do something different. So accept it, embrace yourself, self-love. Okay, there is no competition and no comparison, for we are all different and meant to be that way. I'm special and wonderful. I love myself, right? You need I love myself should be your affirmation, because you're so special, people. Let's see what else. Wait for my group number 2, what the count has to say. Oh my God! So some of you are devotees of Krishna, and Krishna is with you. Lord Krishna is guiding you. Wow, beautiful. This spiritual support is with Krishna. Okay. Yeah, Krishna is guiding you. Look, music. As I said, music will play a very important role in your life. We got this music symbol, right? Maybe listen to Krishna songs that will help you heal. Wow, maybe you will sing like Krishna song or something like that in a temple or something. I don't know. But yeah, definitely if you believe in Krishna, he is with you, he is guiding you. Okay, but this energy is very strong. Krishna's energy is so strong, you know. I've experienced it. It's like really strong energy. Believe in him. He will make all your wishes come true. I feel like that. It's so strong. We have 6 And 3, yeah, 3 is all about growth, expansion, creativity. And 6 is about, you got the 6 number here also, right? 6 is about maybe a 6 life path 6 or life path 3, I don't know, but maybe 6, yeah. And with the 6, I'm getting this Cancer vibe where you will be like, you're so kind. Cancers are so, I'm feeling that kind, compassion, caretakers. You take care of other people. You know, nurses are also like caretakers, helping other people. But at the same time, you need to love yourself also, help yourself also. That is also very important here. Okay, like you're so protected. You're so protected. Your divine is there with you. Love yourself. Self-love, as we have in love, I feel like self-love is very important for you guys. Take time out for yourself. If you feel like you don't have to do that thing this day, you feel like you need to take that rest, okay, so don't do that, take rest. Okay, like, yeah, you will make beautiful memories in your life. I feel like maybe for some of you will be traveling also a lot. Okay, and if you get a chance to travel, just go for it. Okay, don't yeah, whenever you get, I'm getting this vibe, if you, even if you get chance for travel, you will be like, no, I can't, I have so many responsibilities, how I'll be able to travel. Don't miss that chance. Okay, just go for it, enjoy life. Okay, you're meant to make good memories. Yeah, slow but stable. Your progression might be slow, but it will be stable, it will be best. You're meant to have a very secure life. Look, star, you're the star. For some of you, definitely, you might be, as I said, you might be recognized by a lot of people. Maybe it's like your community or something, like maybe you can be a doctor who is very famous or something like that, okay? Or maybe a holistic doctor who is famous, whatever. Yeah, unicorn, magic, believe in magic. When we believe in magic, that is when we see magic, right? Okay, yeah, crayon. Yeah, you're meant to paint your life with your colors. And we got this yellow orange type of color, you know. Orange color, I feel this orange vibe so strong. Maybe it's your passion, it's your fire. Your inner strength is so strong. You're very courageous people. You're meant to fly high. Again, we have this colors, so paint your colors. Paint your, you know, if you're an you know, I'm saying that if you're an artist, paint the colors you paint with the colors you like. Okay, or for example, it's like what you like in your life, do that. Don't take other people opinions, okay, and try to put that in your life, because you will not be happy. For example, if you want to do a career that is different from this 9 to 5 job, do that what makes you happy. Don't you know, for example, our parents tend to say this job is not good, that job is not good, right? So this is the time to listen to your intuition, to the things that makes you happy. Okay, don't try to, you know, you cannot fulfill everyone's need. I feel for this pile, this is the problem. You try to fulfill everyone's else need first, and then only you take your need. Okay, don't do that. You need to take care of yourself first. You need to take care, when you take care of yourself first, then only you will be able to take care of others. Okay, self love is very important. You lack that. I feel like that you don't take care of yourself, like eating healthy, cooking something that you like, right? You have to do everything by yourself. There is no one, I feel for this pile, it's like you are the one who help other people, but no one helps you in some way. You're like, you have all the responsibilities on your shoulders, but I feel like you need to take some time off. If you feel like not working, don't work that day, take breaks. Okay, as I said, even if you get like travel, you know, that was a message, you know, some of you are getting like options to travel or relocate, and you're like, no, I cannot do that because I have this work, I have to take care of my family. You're not listening to your heart because you have so much to take care of. So it's like your spirit guides and angels are telling you to do something that you like. Okay, yeah, to paint your paint the favorite colors of yours, not others. Okay, yeah. And for example, if you're decorating your house and your spouse likes blue curtains and you like pink curtains, you will be like, oh, they like blue, so we will put blue. Just put you know, pink curtains. I don't know what I'm saying, but definitely this is what I feel like. You need to do something that you like. Okay, let's see. That was a very I don't know, that example was not so good. But definitely I hope you understood what I meant. Okay, D. Oh, we had this letter inside. Okay, let's see. Oh, blank. Then we have an E. Oh, two blanks. A lot of blanks. E, F, D, G, X. Yeah, release your past, guys. There's nothing. New start. I'm getting this new start is coming your way. Yeah, something new. You're gonna win the race. Okay, you're the tortoise. You will win the race. Even though you're a tortoise, you will be the winners. Begin something now. I'm getting here. You're the lions. Okay, that is all I'm getting. We have a blank here, and we can keep the bag. Like money wise, also you will be getting some increase. I'm getting here. You're meant to have financial abundance also, guys. Okay, don't lower your standards. Okay, do something that you always wanted to do. And because when you start doing that, when you take that stress out and believe in yourself and start doing the things you want to do in your life, maybe for some of you, you are not trusting yourself. Look at this lie. You're living a lie. Maybe you know who you are, you need to do this, but at the same time you're so afraid to take that path. So you're like, no, that path is not for me. It's time to embrace yourself. You know this. For many of you, you know who you are, what is your soul purpose, but you're so afraid, so you're like putting this mask. And for others, if you will know the truth of the people who are lying to you, okay, some truth is going to come out, and because of that you will be changing your direction or something like that. I feel like that also. And for some others of you, you can, you can easily say if someone is lying. You're the experts, I'm getting. Maybe you read the face. Your intuition is so strong. No one can, like, I'm getting this vibe also, like no one can deceive you. Because you're so good at it. Yeah, we have this, like we have a blank, so I can keep like win. You will win the race. Okay, big. Yeah, we have big changes. Maybe big changes, big happy changes I'm getting. Yeah, embrace more fun into your life. Okay, as I said, we have blank again. Maybe that's why two blanks came out. So yeah, embrace more fun into your life. If you have like some travel plans, go do it. Travel, guys, have fun, live your best life. You're meant to do that. Again, we have Li. We live your best life. You're meant to live your best life here. Don't care about other people, because people will say, sometimes people, they don't think before. Some people do that, they don't think before they speak, right? But you are very mature people, and so you don't have to take other people. There will be naysayers. Remember that. You're meant to be the light. Yeah, we have this G, H, we don't have it, but we do have, we have two blanks. Yeah, so we can keep it as a light. You're meant to be the light. Okay, so yeah, be you, guys. Be you. That is what I'm getting here. Be you. Be authentic. Do something that makes you happy. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Group number 3, if you chose this white feather, then this is your reading. Then your destiny is to be protected by your angels, by your spirit guides. Your angels, your spirit guides are with you. They are helping you through low times. They will give you a lot of symbols. Okay, so you're very connected to the angels. Okay, so let's see, what is your destiny? We have 3 tarot cards over here. We have strength. We have 6. Oh, you're meant to change your past. Okay, you're meant to rise above your past. Okay, so in the past, maybe because we have 6 and 6 number is maybe your life path 6, I don't know, but 6 number is very important. 6 number is about harmony, right? Like it's about, after the chaos, like after the 5, after the change comes the times where we are sharing our responsibilities. We are having good time. We are having a lovely time with our friends, where you are taking care of your family members, where your family members are taking care of you, like a good relationship. If you have kids, maybe for some of you, you're meant to have kids, you're meant to have a family life. even if you don't want kids, you will have a person in your life who will take care of you and you will take care of them. That is what I'm getting. For many of others, I feel you will be traveling also. For some of you, if you are the place you are right now, I feel you will be traveling to some other place. You might be relocating to some other place, or maybe if you're away from your hometown, maybe in the you're meant to go back to your hometown. I don't know, I feel like that also. Maybe you'll go back there and settle in there. That is also quite possible. But the main thing I'm getting is, what your destiny is to rise above all the dark period. You're the person who can tame your own demons. Okay, with this strength card, that is what I'm getting. Look, we have this white color again. Maybe for many of you, you are the angel who will tame, who will tame other people's demons, right? You will give that the advice, the strength to other people. I'm getting that vibe also. For if you are a father or a mother, you might give that good advice to your children, or strength to the children. Or if you are a spouse, you will be giving strength to your spouse, something like that. But what I'm getting is, like, you're meant to change, you're meant to travel, your destiny is to travel. Or maybe you will be doing something online, maybe you will be teaching through online, so something like that. Okay, maybe right now you live in a desert area, then you will be relocating to somewhere your hometown back. I'm getting that energy also here. Okay, but definitely what you're meant to do is, like, to travel the world. Maybe you will travel to a desert area. I don't know, I'm getting that vibe also. Maybe you will relocate to a desert area, where you will have more options, right? But whatever is it, you are going to be so strong, you're destined to be so strong, that even if you're in this hot weather, you will find a way out. Like the strength, she's in this desert, but she will find her way out, right? She will get there. She will get to the place where there is water, right? That kind of energy. She's not afraid of her own demons, because she know how to quiet her demons. So if you have suffered through anxiety, depression, you're destined to tame. You will be fighting your demons. You will be like understanding. You will be understanding your own energy. If you're overthinking, you will know that, yes, you will be very aware that is overthinking. I don't have to think too much, I have to let it out, and you will be easily letting that out. That is where you will be very good at. You will be good at taming other people's demons also. You will be giving them good guidance. You will be healing people. I'm getting this rehab thing where there are addicts, you will be healing them, something like that. I'm getting that vibe also. But definitely you are meant to travel. You are meant to connect with your past. Maybe you will travel to a place, to a childhood place where you stayed, or something like that. About childhood, you'll be connecting, you'll be traveling, you'll be enjoying your life. Or for some of you, I feel you will have a very fun filled life, even if you're in depression. I'm getting this vibe also. If you're mentally going through some challenges, you will overcome it very easily, because you're so strong and you're connected with the divine. Okay, you're connected with the divine. That is your crown chakra. I'm getting this. You operate through crown chakra. You get a lot of guidance. Your angels guide you. They show you a lot of signs, a lot of symbols, right? So, and we have this 8 number, right? Infinite. You will get a lot of possibilities, you will, even in darker periods of your time, you will see something like, yes, I can use this way. You're not going to be discouraged, and you will not give up. That kind of energy I'm getting. In the past, maybe you were like that. You used to give up very quickly, but your future, your destiny is to be strong, to be courageous, to be confident, and to even in tough times, to find a solution. That kind of energy, because you're so connected to the angels. You get, divinity, yes, you're so connected to the angels. You get your messages. Look at this person who is like meditative state. Maybe you are very good at meditation. So if you are not doing meditation, I feel like you will be doing it, or you need to start doing it. You will get into deeper state where you will be connecting with your angels. They will give you messages, and because of that, you will have this solution to every problem. You are the one who will give a solution to every problem. People will be coming with problems and you will be giving them solutions. That is what I feel. Problem solvers. Or for some of you, you have gone through a lot of problems in your life, and you will be sharing your story with the world. Or maybe for some of you, you will be traveling to different countries and sharing your story, right? That is also I'm getting here. Through book, maybe you will be writing books, maybe blogging, whatever, you will be sharing your story. And yes, for some of you, it's like you need to be determined. Okay, you need to do this every day. I feel in the future you will be very, very self-disciplined also. You will have a routine and no one will be able to, if whatever happens, you will have this routine. You will wake up, you will meditate, and then only you will do other things. You will have a routine. You will take time for yourself. You will take time to connect with the angels. You are not going to be you're very hardworking people also. I'm getting that. You're very hard workers, and nothing can stop you. If you have something in your mind, you will go and do it and achieve it. That kind of personality I'm getting. You're the go-getters. Okay, nothing can stop you. And yes, you listen to your intuition. So angels are telling you to listen to your intuition, but I feel this by listen to the in the future anyways, you're going to listen to your intuition. That is very strong here with this 22 number. You see 22 number, this master number, a lot of balance. You're meant to have a very balanced life. Even if you're feeling imbalanced right now, I feel like your self discipline, your determination will bring balance. And yes, balance, something about balance. Maybe you will give justice to other people. Like I say, problem solving, maybe like lawyers or something like that. I don't know, but something about that also. Maybe you give justice to other people. You to your work, you give light to other people. Justice, love and light, your intuition. You need to your angels are saying you need to listen to your intuition. Also, what your spirit guides, look, wow, yeah, again we have this purplish color. Look at the colors. Yeah, and divine order, do what you feel is right, an important lesson is unfolding. So yeah, with this, again, justice, I'm getting justice. You will give justice to other people. Maybe you are in this justice field, you will be in justice field, you will be in this law field where you will be helping people. Okay, for others, you're balancing your karma. You'll be, that is also, you're meant to you're meant to get out of this karmic relationships. I'm getting that also. And whatever you have planted in your life, whatever seeds you have planted, it will grow. It will give you what you give to the universe, you will get back. That is also I'm getting. That is your destiny. If you work hard, you will get that back, that rewards back. You're meant to have a balanced life in your life. That is what I feel. Wow, look, you got an extra card and it's Horus. Look, again, the eye. Your intuition is very, very strong. Trust it, okay? Trust. And your thoughts are also very powerful. So think positive thoughts because look, your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. So yes, your thoughts are very, very powerful. So always have positive thoughts. I think this divinity and your one of group 2 god also, like they're also very powerful manifestors. You are also powerful manifestors. But yeah, definitely you know what you want from your life, and you will have a very balanced life. Your career, your home, everything will be very balanced. That is what I feel. Okay, even if you have kids, you will be easily balancing. That is your power. I feel like they will be easily balancing your kids and your career also. Whatever, you will be balancing 2 things at the same time. I'm getting here. I don't know. Maybe you will have like some. I kind of feel like maybe you do 2 things. You will be doing 2 things. Like you will have a day job and then you will have a side job or something like that. That is like something spiritual based or something like that. Maybe you're going to give that strength to other people, give that balance to other people. Meditation, maybe teaching meditation. I don't know. Oh, teaching. Look, you inspire young people to learn. Wow. So maybe you will be look at the butterflies. Yeah, you will be transforming other people's life. That is what I'm getting. You will be you're those kind of people who will help the people who are at their worst, and you will transform their life, right? Yeah, like this. You can literally be a teacher who will transform, or maybe you will work with disabled people or something like that also. I'm getting here. but definitely you will bring a lot of balance to other people, and of course you will live a very balanced life. You will bring justice to other people. Something like justice system is also involved here, right? Yeah, you're very good at teaching also. Maybe you're teachers, definitely teachers, um, in some way, teaching, inspiring young people. That is, I'm getting here, inspiring young people. And for others, I feel um, you will you will provide something that will help, meditation courses or something like that, that will help to achieve balance, or I don't know what, but definitely you will have a very balanced life, and you will teach how to balance your life or something like that. Or maybe, as I said, rehab. Maybe you will help people to overcome drug issues or something like that. Maybe you'll teach about perseverance, self-determination, self-discipline, something like that. Okay, yeah. And I feel you will have a very balanced life. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. That kind of energy I'm feeling. You are very responsible people also. Okay, I'm willing to change. Okay, yeah, again we have this butterfly. Okay, you will be changing this world, I'm feeling, in some sort of way. I'm getting that vibe, where you will be giving justice to other people. Yeah, maybe you will be giving money to the people, like helping people through money. Yeah, something like that. Helping people, giving something to the world, like something very, something, yeah, something. You might be working for human rights, I don't know, but definitely you want to make that change in the society, something like that, and you will be doing that. I'm willing to release all negative beliefs. There are only thoughts that stand in my way. My new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. For some of you, you need to change your negative thinking, but you will overcome that. That is the problem right now, but you will be overcoming that. Yeah, you will. If you're in a very anxious person, in the future I don't see you will be very balanced person. Look, everything I touch is a success. Yes, you will. I now establish a new awareness of success. I know I can be as successful as I make up my mind to be. I move into the winning circle. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. Yeah, right now maybe you're struggling with some anxious and anxiety, but your destiny is to overcome that and help other people overcome that. That is what I'm getting through hard work, through perseverance, through determination. That is what I feel like. Okay, let's see what are the charms have to add to this. Yeah, okay, again we have, you will see clearly. If you're wearing a mask right now, you will see clearly, so the mask is going to go away. Okay, you are going to be very authentic to yourself. Okay, that is what I feel like. You will be connecting to the divine, as I said, a lot of connection to the divine here. Yeah, you have cried a lot. I feel like you have been in this anxious period, but this is all going. You're going to see two colors of people also. I'm feeling like that. Your destiny is to, yeah, justice. That is what you bring, justice to the people, and you will bring justice to yourself also, because you will see very clearly. Yeah, you're meant to see very clearly because you're connected to the divine. The divine will show you that clear path, whatever it is. You're meant to see clearly, and when a person sees clearly, they will make very good decisions, right? So yeah, you need to fix your past. You need to get out of that thing. Yeah, again you got this dragonfly. Okay, butterfly. It's like butterfly or dragonfly. I feel it's a dragonfly. No, it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's the side of a butterfly. Okay, yeah. Again, you got this butterfly. Butterfly was there. Here, there is butterfly. Yeah. So yeah, you're meant to transform your life, like through very anxious period, to a person who is not balanced, through a person who will be very balanced. You will be fixing your life. For some of you, you're already moving towards that change, but some of you will be transforming your life. That is your destiny, to come out of the dark period of your life to light, and then be very balanced. At the same time, give that balance to other people also. Maybe you will be questioning about society, about our rules, justice system. That also I can see a lot of, yeah. But you're very connected to the divine. You're like taking the mask of people. You're meant to do that. Yeah, showing the true side. You will be showing the true side of yeah. If yeah, that is what I feel like. You will be taking mask of other people. People wear mask, right? You will be showing them the true side of theirs. I don't know I'm making sense, but that is what I'm getting here. You're gonna show that. You're gonna you're gonna make them connect to themselves. First you will connect with yourself and do that. Okay, this is like so yeah, you will have to make some changes in your life. Yeah, that is what you need to do. Make some changes in your life. You need to make that change right now, because you're such powerful people. You need to get out of that bed. You need to be confident in yourself. Make that change. You have that potential. That is what I'm getting here. Like, have fun with this dolphin. Maybe you're seeing dolphins. I don't know, maybe you see dolphins in your dream. Dolphins are all about loving energy. Have fun. They're very intelligent also. You're very intelligent. You're very connected to the spirit. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. SOM. Okay, let's see what else the letters have to add to this. I, inwards, going inwards. Yeah. Owl. Okay, owl totem. Spirit. Yeah, maybe it's owl is your spirit animal. VS. It's time to go inwards, okay? You need to make some changes in your life. Right now, you need to make some changes. What is that change? Meditate. You will know what is that change. And when you make this change, your life purpose is big. That is what the thing is. Your life purpose is big. Yeah, something like you will be changing some society. Some sort of like changes in society, bringing balance in society, something like that, very big. But you need to make some changes in your life in order to get there. Your destiny is big. Invest something. Invest. I'm getting invest. We don't have a T, but definitely invest in your time, in spirituality, like in learning, in knowledge. Okay, invest your time in knowledge. That is what I'm getting. Don't waste your time in stupid things. I don't know why I'm getting. Yeah, in like you have a huge life purpose. You're meant to do that. Okay, so it's time to make that change. I feel for this pile, you know what the change you need to make. Yeah, it's like, yeah, that's it guys. But definitely it's like a very big life purpose you have, I feel like. Okay, bye bye, take care.